Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Ulefone Armor 17. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store and look for the app called Notify Buddy. And then install it. When it's ready, open the app. Right here, grant 3 different permissions. And last one is battery optimization, which we can skip. From now, app is ready, we can begin using it, and there's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and Settings. In User, you can select any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In System, there's all system-bound apps and you can do the same thing with them. In Active, there's all apps that we've just activated. And in the settings, you can customize your LED lamp with a different size, shape, placement on the screen. Let's click on the test, and right here you can see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.